Peace family, welcome to this day analysis. So let's analyze NASDAQ. So on weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4-hour. And then on a 4-hour, we have this zone right there. Okay, so we have this zone right here, and then the market is currently playing around these areas. So there is a possibility that in fact, let me take this out. Then let's go to the hourly. Okay, so on the hourly, I see something like this. So around here, we're having a support area, and then here having a resistance area. So there's a possibility that the market can to the downside, potentially up to, let's go to our 4-hour. Potentially up to there. And then if this, let me just plug this. If this doesn't happen, then something like this can happen. Then potential up to there. Okay, so that's my analysis for NASDAQ. And then let's go to GBPJPY. And then on a weekly, so the overall trend for the weekly is on an uptrend. And then let's go to our, and then on a 4-hour, currently we're having this support area from right here being a support area, and then even here. So there's a possibility that the market can push to the upside, potential up to there. And if the market decides to sell, then there's a possibility that the market can break, retest, and then sell up to there. So that's my analysis for GBPJPY. Then let's go to EURJPY. Then on a weekly, so on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. Then let me plug this. Okay, so on a 4-hour, currently we're playing around these areas right here. So let's go to, let's find our zones. So what I'm seeing currently, I'm seeing this support area right here, and then I'm seeing this resistance area right there. So someone might say we have something like this, but I will prefer something like this. So since we're playing around these areas, you can just expect something like a break. This thing, okay. Let me just delete this. Retest and then continue. So potential TP up to there. And then if the market decides to sell, then there's a possibility to break, retest, and then sell up to there. That's my potential TP right there. Right. So that's my analysis for EURJPY. And then let's go to gold. And then let's go to the weekly time frame. So for gold, the overall trend is we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. Okay, so on a 4-hour, broke this right there. So we broke this support area right here. And then, excuse me, what I'm going to expect is a push up to this former support area and then push to the downside. And then potentially up to somewhere there. That's too far here. Right there, it makes a lot of sense. Up to there. So that's my analysis for gold at the moment. And then let's go to EURUSD. And then on a weekly, I forgot to delete this. So on a weekly, seems like we have changed the direction. We are on a downtrend. And then let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, before I analyze on the 4-hour, let me just go back to the weekly. And then let me just plug this. Okay, so on a weekly, this is what I'm seeing currently. We have this. Let me just plug this so that everything can be clear. Support area right here. And then it seems like currently we're breaking this weekly support area right here. So if you are breaking this area, there's a possibility of a break, retest, and then continue. Then maybe even potential up to there. And then let's go to our 4-hour. and actually see what's happening. So on the 4-hour, currently I don't see anything. So let's go to the hourly. The same applies. I don't see anything. So on the weekly, this is what I'm seeing. But I'll just have to watch closely this pair, how it's going to react. And let's go to USDJPY. And then on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. So we have been pushing to the upside for quite some time. And then on the 4-hour, we're still pushing to the upside. There is let's go to our hourly before I find my zones. So last time I had this resistance area right there. Right here, and even right here. So we broke this. So day before I was expecting a retest around these areas and then push, and then that didn't happen, and then even here, and then also even here, and then that it also didn't happen. So currently I'm just going to watch the market closely as it is going to push, and then we will look for something like a pullback, and then enter maybe around this, a pullback around these areas somewhere there. But at the moment there is nothing that can further analyze for USDJPY. And then let's go to GBPUSD. And then for GBPUSD, seems like we have changed the direction. We are on an uptrend, downtrend, so to speak. And then before I go to the 4-hour, there's something that I saw. So on a weekly, same applies with EURUSD. We have this support area right there, right here, and then finally broke this support area. So there is a possibility that the market can come, retest this area, and then push to the downside. Maybe even potential up to there. That's on a higher time frame. But let's go to the lower time frame. On a lower time frame, currently I don't see anything right here. There isn't much to talk about. And same applies even here. Okay. But on a weekly, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing for GBPUSD. Okay, that's it for our Tuesday analysis topic.